What do I do if there is a mistake in the police report?
Quite often the police do not get it right when investigating a car accident. Sometimes there's a language barrier between the person that either caused the accident or the person that was involved in the accident, and they are unable to communicate exactly what happened to the investigating police officer. Many times when people get that report, they're surprised at what the police officer put down. Well, you generally have the right to amend that report with a supplemental report. The police will not change the original report because that's a business record. That's an official governmental record that they maintain. But they generally will allow you to add a statement to it. You should go to the police department and fill out that statement and attach it to the police report. Now, what if the police officer does not want you to amend the report because they think they know what's best? Often the police officers do not witness the accident and they don't really know exactly what happened. If they refuse to allow you to supplement the report, you should ask to speak to the officer that's in charge or the captain. If they refuse to allow you to supplement that report and you speak to the supervising officer, you may go to the county prosecutor and explain to them that you need to supplement this report, and hopefully they can intervene and help you file an amended police report.